Hello everyone, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Broadway A2E Academy. This is Vimalpreet Kaur and today I am making a very requested video for you guys in which I will discuss some of the journal questions because some of the students they were saying that they don't know how to attempt journal questions and what kind of answers they should give. So, firstly, let's discuss about a very common topic which is work and studies. So, this topic is very common. Nowadays, examiners start your introduction and then moving further, they continue with the work or study. Whatever you are doing, they continue with that. So, make sure that your answers regarding your work and study should be nice and should be elaborative enough. So, the very first question regarding work is what work do you do? So, in this, I will explain that I am a teacher. I teach students how to speak English. Now, see, as I am an IELTS trainer, I will not mention about IELTS. I will just say that I am an English teacher. I teach students how they can speak fluently English. Then, moving further, the next question is why did you choose this type of work? I chose this type of work because I enjoy teaching students and I enjoy what decisions, what ideas they make when they are speaking and when they are communicating. I want students to improve their English. That is why I chose this type of work. Now, my answer was in 3 to 4 lines. This length is enough for our journal questions. Try not to explain your answers more than 4 to 5 lines. Then the next question is, do you like your job? So, yes, I really love my job because this is a job which I chose for myself in which I can do so many things. I can teach students, I can get their ideas, I can solve their issues, their problems. So, this is a really interesting job and I really love it. So now, in this question, I have explained enough that why I love this job with the intonation. Try to add intonation in your speaking so that you can score good marks. Then the next question is, do you miss being a student? So, no, I don't miss being a student because teaching is a thing which is very nice and it doesn't make me feel that I should be a student again. And although I am a teacher right now, so I enjoy this only, so I don't miss being a student. So in this way, you can answer this question. Then moving further, the next topic is hometown. So every student should know about hometown because you live in that city and you must know that what things are available in your city and how is your hometown. So the first question is, what is the name of your hometown? My hometown is Jalandhar and Jalandhar is famous for sports equipments and hospitals. It is enough that we will answer this question in 3 lines. We should not explain this a lot. Then the next question is it big city or a small place? Jalandhar city is a quite big place because there are so many amenities available which people can avail. Then moving further, third question we have is, please describe your hometown a little. So in this question, we will explain about our city, that what things are available in our city. You can explain like Jalandhar city is a quite big city and all kind of things are available here. There are so many markets, malls, theaters, where people can go and they can enjoy their leisure time. This is enough if we will answer this question in 3 to 4 lines. If you think that you can explain it more, you can do. But make it precise so that examiner can move further to the next question. So with this, the next question is, how long have you been living here? So I am living here since past 20 years. I shifted from a small village and then I start living here with my maternal grandparents. This is enough if we will answer this question in this way. We can tell how many years we have been living in this city. Now the next question is, do you like living here? Yes, I really love living here because if I'll be living at a place which is not very developed, so in this way I will not be very developed, my education will not be completed and I will lag at some point. So living in this city was very beneficial for me and I will continue living in this city. So This is it for my today's video. If you like this video, share it with your friends so that they can know that how they can attempt their journal question part and the common topics which every examiner asks. So subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get updates of our latest videos. Thank you.